Hi, this is Sean Lyons from Bennett Auto Group. You know, today you've got a lot of options when it comes to servicing and maintaining your vehicle. You can take it to the dealer, you can take it to a discount auto center, or you can take it to a shade tree mechanic. There seem to be a lot of misconceptions about taking your vehicle to a dealer for service and maintenance, and today we're going to talk to David Nevin and Doug Roberts about some of those misconceptions.
There's a perception that servicing your vehicle at the dealership is always more expensive. But at Bennett Chevrolet, we've developed some programs to make us not only competitive, but in some cases even less expensive. We have a buy three, get one free oil change program where your fourth oil change is always free. We have a $10 mail-in rebate through Castrol, good on every oil change, and a $12 tire rotation. We built our Express Service Center so that even if you're just having maintenance done, you're treated with the care you deserve, and we get you in and out in a hurry without any hassles.
Hi, I'm Doug Roberts, Service Manager at Bennett Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. At the dealership, we can stay competitive because we can certainly give you options. Naturally, you came to a dealer, we're going to price you out factory parts. We can use aftermarket parts and save money. Aftermarket parts are available from many distributors. They don't come with the warranty factory parts come with, but there are options available to save money. We've been your Camden County dealer for over 30 years. We value all of our customers and want to price ourselves accordingly.
One of the core values that we live by here at Bennett is the ability of our customers to be able to afford to have manufacturer-trained and certified technicians maintain and service their vehicles. Come in for our oil change special, use some aftermarket parts on your car, or get a very, very competitive price on a traditional service job, and come see why Bennett Chevrolet Buick and Bennett Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram are Camden County's #1 new car dealership every year.